over to you. Have a go at being Anne by taking her part in Gaelic after each English prompt.
Dé ha uair déanamh a nach.
I'm going to watch TV.
Ha mi dul chaiad TV.
Dé ha dul chaiad.
I'm going to watch a programme on travel.
Ha mi dul chaiad program ar siúl.
Cúne ha táiseach.
At 9 o'clock.
Ag nui uadan.
What are you going to do yourself?
Dé ha héine dul dhéanamh.
Ha mi dul go géim bail cosise.
Who's playing?
Cóha clúich.
Op a réithing agus inar niis.
That'll be good. When does it start?
Bí sin me. Cúne ha táiseach.
Ag 8 uaireann.
Well done. Now make up the part of Marion in the conversation and give the Gaelic after the English prompts. What are you doing tonight?
Dé ha déanamh a nach.
Ha mi dul chaiad TV.
What are you going to watch?
Dé ha dul chaiad.
Ha mi dul chaiad program ar siúl.
When does it start?
Cúne ha táiseach.
Ag nui uadan. Dé ha héine dul dhéanamh.
I'm going to a football match.
Ha mi dul go géim bail cosise.
Cóha clúich.
Aberdeen and Inverness.
Op a réithing agus inar niis.
Bí sin me. Cúne ha táiseach.
At 8 o'clock.
Ag 8 uaireann.
Great. Replay Conversation 5 Part 2 again just to see how well you're getting on.